So, good morning, dear student. Today we are going to study preparation, implementation of hospital budget. It includes definition, objective of budget, advantages of budget, types of budget, income and revenue accounts, expenditure accounts, preparation of budget, implementation of budget, and factors which is directly affected budget preparation. This we are going to study in this class. So now definition, budget is describing an instrument through which hospital administration, management, and the department levels and growing bodies can review the hospital services in relationship to the prepare plan in a comprehensive and integrated form expressed in a financial term. You can see in this is a uh, management control process, budgeting. Of hospital. Now, next is objectives, development of standard, comparison of actual result with standards, identification and deviation, fluctuation, analysis of deviation. Responsible person will use the budget details, determine whether the proposal is economical, feasible, and realistic or not. To monitor the hospital financial activity, estimate the cost of completing the objectives identified in the proposal. So these are the objectives we are keeping in mind for the preparing or during the preparing the budget for the entire financial year. Now, advantage of planning of budget. Uh, this is the advantage. Develop better financial planning, gives better focus on decision making to the management, effectively manage the financial aspect of the hospital, exposes the reasons of over expenditure, helps to focus on a hospital priorities, enhance efficiency of staff and other members. So these are the advantages of budgeting. Now, type of budget preparation. It is based upon the duration of budget. It can be divided into two types: short term budget and long term budget. Short term budget we can plan for 1 and 2 years, and long term budget we are planning for 5 to 10 years. Now, division of budget: the income accounts or revenue accounts, expenditure accounts, and asking for a capital investment, uh, that includes the inner division of budget. Now, income accounts and revenue accounts. The total income must be calculated for the implementation of budget. The pharmacy department or accounts department maintain daily, weekly, monthly, and annual cost of pharmaceutical services to the patient service. Pharmaceutical issues to the patient services. So, dear student, today we are studying the budget preparation for an implementation for any hospital of in which we have studied the definition of budget and objectives and advantages of budget. The other statistics includes number of prescription dispensed by the each pharmacist, hours of working put in, prescription volume per hour of service, medication cost per patient per day, average drug cost per clinic visit, average salary cost per preparation, average supply cost per requisition. Now, preparation of budget involves several steps. Here we can include, we can see in this flow diagram, the hospital administration prepare assumption and statistical terms about the kind of services output and hospital expect to provide or produce the uh, things which hospital will get after the services. The hospital administrator prepare the economic forecast in respect of new developments and other factors. The hospital administration to outline the budget, goals, and policies as per the directives. The financial management managers prepare a budget package and forward it to all the departments. The financial finance officer develops the department revenues budget, summarize the departmental expenses budget, and forward the department's budgeting hearing summary to the concerned department head. Now you can see the each department heads analyze financial and statistical data generated by the department as well as provide to him by the financial department. So all departments has to consider their budget and their services. A budget hearing is organized by the finance officer at the department level where the department heads present their his or her budget. The finance officer prepare preliminary operating revenues budget for the whole hospital by summarizing and collecting the individual department budgets. The finance officer to summarize the total budget, including the capital budget and case budget into a proper budget format, including statistics summaries. The budget is prepared presented by the finance officer to the governing board or board of trustees to the financial committee for their approval. Implementation of budget. It includes the following parameter. The requirement of different department, actual funds position of the hospital, utility of particular item, cost of products and quantity of products. These we have to consider for the implementation of budget in any organization or any hospital. Now, factor affecting budget. Local condition, what are the condition in that particular region or that particular area or city, compulsion, management policy, confidence of higher authority and ability of higher authority. These are the major factors we are considering during the budget. Whether they are planning to launch a new services in a hospital like CT scan, MRI, or other services, blood bank, or they are planning to introduce new unit um, in that particular hospital or organization. We can again consider these terms once again. Budget, this is a financial and quantitative statement prepared for a purpose of attaining the given objectives. Why we are preparing budget? What are the functions? The responsible persons will use the budget details to determine whether the proposal is economically feasible and realistic or not. Secondly, to monitor the hospital financial activities. Third is estimate the cost of completing objective is and identified in the proposal. That I told you types of budget we are considering in a mind 2 years and short term, that is, and long term is 5 to 10 years. Division of budget, that I already told you. This is the income or revenue. This is a some recap of the our chapter. Uh, Income accounts or revenue accounts, expenditure accounts, and asking for capital investment. Income accounts or revenue accounts mm, includes the total income must be calculated for the implementation of budget. The pharmacy department or account department maintain daily, weekly, monthly, or annual cost or pharmaceutical services or patient services. The statistics include that I already told you, the number of prescription dispense of each pharmacist, hours of work put in, prescription volume per hour services, medication cost per patient per day, average drug cost per clinic visit, average salary cost per prescription, and average supply cost per requisition. Expenditure accounts. This expenditure accounts, administrative and general expenses, professional care of the patient, outpatient and emergency expenses, and miscellaneous expenses. We can include these in a expenditure account. The expenditure accounts include the following categories. You can write down this. Uh, These expenditure accounts includes salary and wages, supply and expenses, drug and pharmaceutical expenses, purchase expenses, miscellaneous supplies and expenses. These are the things we have to include in expenses account. Now, salary and wages divided into a permanent request for the staff full-time payment. Second is permanent staff part-time payment. Next is temporary post, a proposed new post and overtime to the workers or members. They are working other than the official time or working hours. Now, permanent request, this all position, filled, vacant positions, field position and vacant position, they also is considered in a expenses as in the part of salary and wages. Now, expenses of supplies and materials, chief pharmacist or responsible person should be prepare the financial statement regarding the requirement of amount in rupees for supplies and material with the help of latest financial budget. Second is necessary to show the actual cost of material. And third is if the budgeted figures and the previous figures are the same, then previously prepared budget is well prepared. So these things are included in a expense budget or expense account. Now, purchase expense, it include the cost of prescription purchased from the outside pharmacy. Drug and pharmaceuticals, those dispensed by prescription, those used in the outpatient and emergency department. Equipment and construction budget for the immediate arrangement of new model equipment, budget for remolding and replacement of equipment, and construction of building or new department. So these are the expenses account are included in expenses account or expenses budget. Now, implementation of budget. It includes the following parameter: requirement of different departments, actual fund position of the organization, utility of particular item, cost of the product, quantity of the products, etc. Now, advantages of planning of the budget. Uh, there are different advantages for the planning of budget. We can view the situation of our organization, what are the its running cost and what is the its revenue or receipts getting from outside. uh, Number one, development better financial planning for the organization gives a better focus on decision making to the management. Third is effectively manage the financial aspect of the hospital. Fourth is expose the reason of over expenditure, that we can also see the where we are facing a trouble in a budgeting, or expose the reason of over expenditure in particular area, that also we can see. Help to focus on a hospital priorities, enhance efficacy of staff and others. So these are the advantages of the budget, planning of the budget. Uh, these are the some references that I included from here. The material I have taken from these books. S. Balasubramaniam and Narayan, a textbook of clinical and hospital pharmacy, and Dr. Ramesh, Dr. Goyal, Dr. Parekh, a textbook of hospital pharmacy, and programming, budgeting, and control of healthcare organization, a state art by Robert A. Versi. So these are the some references, dear student, that we have concluded our chapter. That is a first chapter of fourth unit, preparation and implementation of hospital budget. So you can see the all aspect we are considering by the for the preparing of budget of any hospital and organization. Similarly, we are including the all kind of expenses, all kind of salary and wages we are mm, mm, giving, or that's in that is coming in a day by day working of hospital. Similarly, the revenue and income of hospital also we uh, include in a planning of budget of any organization or hospital. So, if you have any doubt regarding this, generally this type of question they ask in a sessional exam or university exam in 4 number. So you prepare a uh, short note type answer of this particular chapter. And if you feel any difficulty regarding the same, you can directly contact with me in a WhatsApp, or uh, in telephonically also you can contact. So thank you, dear student. Today, this much from my side. If you have any doubts, any question, you can ask me directly in during this lecture also.